So let's take a tour of this temple that I am camping at. Right now I'm at the southeastern of the island. It's right next by the Dafu harbor, and this temple is Daitiangong. There are like over 60 temples on this little freaking islands. Over 60 of them. Well, according to the information from the driver, told me because the fishermen, they wish to get the blessing from the god or the lock, so that's why they support to build all these temples. That's why there's so many people, so many temples here, which is so great because temple usually they allow people to stay in the low price or just to camp here. I will definitely donate something, donate some dollars, so I will not do it free because they offer me things, I need to offer it back. It's to the god, right? It's to the gods. Okay, so I chose the spot that I'm gonna camp for tonight, and it's right next by the temple. And here's the restroom, super freaking close. And the spot I have like the dirt flat ground. It's easier for me to lay on. So let's go inside to the temple and ask for the real permission. Although I already asked them on the phone, but I want to give them hands to be sure. So I got the permission, I got confirmation. So let's start. So yeah guys, I finished my tent. Well, the reason is why I moved here is because the worker from the temple told me that place probably isn't that safe because there might be snake running around in the area, although they never see one, but there might be maybe one. So prevent me possibly get bitten. So he persuaded me to move here, and I thought, okay, all right, I'll move here. And here I also got a table. It's nice table and chair. And I didn't spot that they got electricity right there. Electricity, so that's great. That's what I need: water, fresh water, and electricity. And the best is they also got a little rooftop. Although I can't already about, but I got a tree on my top, so that will be creating a good shade. And I also have the view of the ocean, although those trees are too tall. But I'm glad to stay here because it's quite quiet. The first I was worried about, I was like way too close to the road and I will get really bothered by the motorcycle running through. I don't know how it will be, so let's see. So yeah, so my tent. It's close to the sunset. They got dogs here. Guys, I'm not sure, can you see the night view of Taiwan? I didn't know the view from the temple, you can see all across to Taiwan. It's a night view, so great. But on my GoPro it's totally dark, totally black. But I will take some photos. And here's the temple, right? Oh, the lighting is poor. Hi guys, so I did not really sleep good last night again. Well, it's one reason because you can hear the chicken in the background, the rooster, and we don't hear it right now, but they got so many scooters running around, just probably came to the temple and talk to the manager inside. They're just chatting. I mean, they're all local visitors. And so this place isn't as quiet as I think. And last night there are tourists just riding a scooter. It came up from this ramp, you know, very close to my tent, and it's very noisy. And that was like, I think past 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. And the manager of the temple, they woke up very early, like 4 o'clock in the morning. And they talk really loud, so I was already awake, probably around 4. So tonight I'm not going to stay here. I'm planning to stay at the beach side. See how's it go there. I just want a good night's sleep. That's all. Quiet. Because probably this place is not wild. It's not a wild place. That's why still people come in and comes by and goes. And there's a resident over there, and that's why there's also it's their get out point. So yeah, right now I'm gonna to do snorkeling and swim and have some breakfast first. See you later. I just came up from the stairs, and look, there's some chicken. A lot of roosters. Smell, and I got a duck. Oil. This one. Oh, so many kinds of dogs. Oh, this place is beautiful. That's the place that I'm gonna to do snorkeling next. It seems like there are people in there boating, but who cares? This is an abandoned little harbor. I'm walking to the village that right next to where I camp, so I can get something to eat. I see. They do the sports here, SUP and kayaking. I don't know where I'm going, because I only have legs instead of scooter. There's so many people there. That's oh, there's one. Mama. Breakfast. So here we go. Let's go, try it. So here's some food I got. Actually, it's self-help, so you can take whatever you want. And there are menu and name of the food item on here. Self-help. Alright, this is called taro cake. Honestly, they call it liuqiu, especially liuqiu cake, but it's made by taro. Creamy, soft, and the texture doesn't really feel like it's made up by taro, so I'm not sure what it's made of. Here we go, here we go. Wonder what's inside? Don't like the smell in here because probably people piss in here. The lighting looks very beautiful though. Let's look at this place. Let's take a look. There's some people who do diving or just simply taking photos with their bikinis. Freaking shallow water. Looks not deep at all. Really shallow. So I'm ready just to get out to the water. Snorkeling and free diving down here, but too bad I didn't get to see any sea turtles, so I'm gonna try next spot to see do I get any luck or not.